India has, in order to return $1.2 billion to Kind Energy, like after Prime Minister Modi's government administration lost arbitration proceedings in a tax dispute. It's the second defeat over these all the money that has been pending. Now, an international arbitration tribunal ruled that the tax claim was not part of the demand and asked the government to repay the funds withheld along with interest to Kind. Now, India has seized dividend, tax refund and shares to partly recover these dues. What exactly does this mean, and what has been the background in this high-stakes legal battle? Let's go across to Sunil Prabhu joining us with the very latest. Sunil, take us through everything we need to know about this case.
Well, this dispute is a little bit similar to the Vodafone retrospective tax, and it's in that context that the Indian government has received a setback. Is clearly a sign that something that they had anticipated, at least within legal circles. This was something that even though they were going ahead with the arbitration and attempting to find some kind of justice, it was realized somewhere down the line that they had a weak case. But nevertheless, the government of India has come out with a statement saying that they're studying all aspects, will look into the matter, and then take a uniform and a correct position in terms of what they need to go forward, because this will have to be read in terms of the partnership agreement that has been done, something similar to the Vodafone case, where they had, really in a sense, as the finance ministry off the record from top finance ministry officials had said, question the sovereignty of India. But nevertheless, they understand and they have conceded that retrospective tax is really difficult. But anyway, let's see how it works.
Right. And just to give our viewers a little background upon this entire case, Sunil, the UK oil explorer received the tax claim from Indian authorities. This is back in March of 2015, and over restructuring that was carried out in 2006. And that's where it all began through the years in 2011, then even before that, and then now in 2020. It's taken that much time for this back and forth to happen. How long is a timeline for the government to actually pay back?
Well, those are details, because those are orders that have already been passed and they have now appealed against it. We'll have to wait and see how the government of India will respond to this. But as I said earlier, they will definitely have to keep whatever the litigation process. As you know, government is one of the biggest litigators and is unlikely to concede that easily. And it's always a very difficult paymaster when it comes to, especially on tax disputes. So it will definitely take time. But this is clearly, in a sense, a message to the entire country and to the world in particular, who will be looking at not only the retrospective tax, but as well as the cane industry, to see whether they are actually friendly and the ease of doing business actually takes place in terms of financial commitment from the government of India in tax disputes, or where matters there have been a disagreement on.